Hey guys, I'm Onik Purkait and welcome to Technical Purkait. In this video, I'm going to show you the best voice recorder application for your Android mobile. So let's open Play Store and go to Play Store and search it here. And search it here for voice recorder. Okay, it's all of the voice recorder application, and the best one I will tell you that is it's all of the here it will find automatic call recorder. It's the call recorder application, voice recorder. The best one I will tell you that is this one. Okay, check it. Voice recorder, this red icon. Here you will find 1 million downloads and 4.8 ratings here, and various types of screenshots you will find here. And I think according to me and according to my choice, this application is very much preferable for your Android mobile to record your audio. Okay, so it's very good application for, and it's just 5.2 MB and 1 million downloads, 4.8 rating still. And another I want to show you, suggest you that's one application that is I'm showing you here. You check it, this one. Okay, voice recorder, 5 million downloads here, and it's only 2.1 Mbps, 1 MB. Okay, the size of this application, and according to me it's also a good application to record your audio, and the audio quality is supreme. And I want to show you that you can download it for your mobile and for your smartphone also. 4.5 ratings, and you will get various types of good comments here, as it is a good application for your Android mobile. So MP3, M4A and WAV, 3GP, whatever you can record your audio, you can record your audio in this format. So it's everything. Thanks for watching.